Alright folks, how y'all doing? I got a filter here we're going to cut open. We're going to see if we can't clean this off a little bit and see what brand it is. This is off of a S10. It's a 96 or 95. It's got a Vortec V6 in it. This engine has 460 some odd thousand showing on the odometer. It's two-wheel drive, extended cab, short bed. So this ought to be really interesting to see what this looks like with this S10 and 450 plus thousand miles. Let's see if we can't clean this filter off a little bit and see what flavor it is before I cut it open. Thought I had a crappy rag over here. Alright folks, I'm going to say this is an O'Reilly's micro guard. MGL, I don't know, I'm guessing a 54036. It's kind of hard to speculate there with missing, but anyway, that's what it looks like here. Can't tell anything else about it, but it is definitely nasty enough. Clean this off so I can hold on to it. Clean this off so we don't got anything out here trying to influence it. Alright, wiped off a little better. That O-ring squished down flat now. Check that out. There ain't much. This dude out of here. Alright, how many miles you say on this?
458,000 miles.
Okay.
On the motor.
On the motor. Let's see what we got in here. Pretty dark looking. A little sludgy for sure. High mileage, what do you expect, you know? Dude, that thing is stiff as all get out. Damn, that's been on there a minute. That's rubber. That thing is hard. It's not very pliable. It just cracked. It's been on there a while. I own it a while. Look here, we got a leaf spring in the bottom with a hole in it. That's on the inside of the filter, where the filter's supposed to be. Daggone. That's pretty thick.
Some of it's not even scraping off with your finger.
Yeah. And no bypass in the bottom.
100% filtered.
Yeah.
Forcibly.
She's... Can't tell what it looks like on the inside there. If it's... Oh yeah, there's some growtiness in the bottom down there. It's kind of hard to get in there. There it is, a little bit better. We'll cut it and we'll see. That's pretty good stuff. You can slap this on a steak. You tell what's in the bottom of the can? Let's pour it out on here. See if we can scratch any. Oh yeah. Pretty good scratch. Pretty thick too. These people must not have changed the oil very much at all.
So when I got the truck, it only had 1.5 quarts of oil, and I put 3.5 quarts of Valvoline Max Life in it, 530. So that is diluted from what was in there.
Yeah. Ooh, that's why the inside is dirty. Right there. She's so full she broke.
She done split open.
Yeah, she split right there. All the way through.
At least it folded over.
Yeah. I don't know that it was helping it any. This filter was on there way too long.
Yeah.
Oh man, this will be good.
Only try this at home with a knife you don't like.
Yeah. Gerber. Dang, there we go. A whole lot in there. That's where she's tore. Make sure I'm looking at the right side here. This is the back side, I think. Doesn't look too bad on this side. She's just dirty. She might be a few thousand over her limit.
Considering this is the first filter on the truck, and I don't see metal in it,
Yeah.
that's not terrible. We'll
She's
have
dirty.
to make a part 2 for the filter that's on the truck now, the first change.
It's just dirty. Really, it's just nasty.
At least it don't have metal in it.
Yeah, that's way as dirty as it was looking. It might have been there, but it's not. It's just sludge.
Unlike the other one I had that.
Yeah, that blue AC Delco you brought me, that son gun was baked like a cake, full. Yeah, not too bad. She overrun her course, but it's probably just dirty. A couple oil changes. This thing might clean out pretty good. Anyway, there it is, folks. Throw a comment on there. If you got anything, tell us about MicroGuard or what you speculate happened here. He just got this truck, so it's gonna be a little project. Anyway, we'll catch y'all on the next one. Y'all have a good one.